Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Tutor channel. In today's episode of our Cyber Threat Concepts series, we're breaking down one of the most common and dangerous web attacks, cross-site scripting, also known as XSS. If you're interested in web security, penetration testing, or blue team defense, this is a threat you absolutely need to understand. What is cross-site scripting, XSS? Cross-site scripting is a web vulnerability where an attacker injects malicious JavaScript code into a trusted website. When other users visit that website, the malicious script runs inside their browser, as if it came from the legitimate site. In simple terms, the website trusts user input. The attacker abuses that trust users become the victims. How XSS works. A website allows user input, such as comments, search boxes, or forms too. The input is not properly validated or filtered through. An attacker injects malicious JavaScript 4. The website displays that input to other users 5. The browser executes the malicious script automatically. This allows attackers to steal data or control user sessions. Common types of XSS stored XSS. The malicious script is saved on the server, such as in a comment or forum post. Every visitor becomes a victim. Reflected XSS. The script is reflected back in a URL or search result and executed immediately. DOM-Based XSS. The attack happens directly in the browser through insecure JavaScript code. What can attackers do with XSS? Steal session cookies, hijack user accounts, perform actions as the victim, redirect users to malicious sites, log keystrokes, deliver malware. XSS attacks don't break the server. They break user trust. Impact of XSS on cybersecurity. XSS can lead to account compromise, data breaches, loss of user trust, regulatory and legal issues, reputational damage. That's why XSS is consistently listed in the OWASP Top 10. How XSS is prevented: input validation and sanitization, output encoding, content security policy, CSP, secure frameworks and libraries, regular security testing. Security is built into the application, not added later. Why cybersecurity students must know. XSS understanding. XSS helps you secure web applications, detect real-world attacks, perform ethical hacking, protect user data, pass cybersecurity exams and interviews. XSS is a core concept for both offensive and defensive security roles. Final thoughts. Cross-site scripting shows how powerful a simple line of code can be in the wrong hands. Learning how XSS works helps you think like an attacker and defend like a professional. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity threats explained simply. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next video.